In the fast-evolving 3C electronics sector, server assembly faces spatial constraints and diverse motherboard configurations. Traditional industrial robots, with their bulky size and rigidity, fail to adapt to precision workstations. Siasen Duco collaborative robots break spatial barriers with a 3 robots per station compact layout. Eliminating safety fences, they slash footprint by 50%, automating full processes from memory installation to CPU fastening within limited space. Powered by Vision Force Control Fusion and 6-axis force sensors, our robots auto-identify motherboard variants, achieving 0.03 precision insertion, solving the industry's memory assembly challenge. Modular design enables rapid line reconfiguration. With digital twin pre-optimization and full process data tracking, we boost output by 300% and accelerate custom order response by 80%. Leading green manufacturing, eco-friendly materials, lubrication-free operation, and just 200W power draw, driving sustainability through extreme efficiency.